hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, Man H. Just a little clip watching the little kitty cat sleep. But the little kitty cat laid out. Relax. On this hot July day. Just relax. Kitty, 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 kitty. Kitty, 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 kitty. Kitty, 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 kitty. It's just a little clip. Little cat, look, so sleepy, can't even keep it out. Been up all night. Up all night. How that why? Feeling it. Look, got your phone right there. Up all night. How that why? Got your phone right back out. That's what we call the Carolina Tiger. Just sleeping, huh? And y'all cats do this right here. How many cat people we got out there? How many cat lovers we got out there? I'm a dog person myself, but I like all animals. I like all animals. I'm a dog person myself. But how you doing, little fella?
I gotta sit there, girl, gonna break my damn hair, shit.
You don't wake up, little fella?
All that shit.
Get them poles. You got a pink nose cat. My first time seeing a pink nose cat. Somebody tell me what kind of cat this is. You see the colors. Subscribe to my channel. Hit them like button. Smash up the likes.